Hey guys, welcome to the 8th Scratch tutorial, and today we'll be talking about operators. Operators, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, can be used to perform calculations with variables. Let's take a look in the operators menu. You can see that a lot of these blocks are rounded like variable blocks, and that's because they store a value. Clicking on them brings up that value. Go ahead and drag out the addition operator. If you click on it, it'll display the number 0. That's the number it's currently storing. If you change these white areas to 1 and 2, for example, the block will store the number 3. There are also operator blocks that are hexagon-shaped. These can be evaluated to true or false, so you can use them in if-then blocks. For example, 1 is not less than -5. So this would be false. But 1 is less than 10. So this would be true. Notice that the white area on these blocks are square, but the white area on these are circular. The circular white areas can only contain numbers, while the square white blocks can hold text as well. These are also hexagon-shaped operator blocks, and only becomes true if both of these hexagons are true, or becomes true if just one of these is true, and not becomes true if this statement is false. So let's try using some of these in examples. Operator blocks are especially useful for information checking. For instance, some programs ask the user for information like their age, but they want to make sure the user types in a realistic number, not a negative number or a number that's too high. So say we want the cat to ask the question, "How old are you?" But in case the user types in -9 or 230, we want to ask them to try again. In other words, if the number is less than 0 or over, say, 100, then we'll have the cat say a message, "Try again." We want to use this OR block because if either of these is true, then the user needs to try again. Now the cat will catch an unrealistic number like -100 or 1070. We just need to put this in an if statement. Suppose we want to write a program to calculate a user's age. To do this, let's make two variables, month and year. We'll make both adjustable and let the user choose their birth month from 1 to 12 and their year from 1995 to 2015. We want to find their age based on the current year and month. There's actually a block for this in Sensing called Current. Drag out two of those and change them to current year and current month. Now we can start programming. Let's say we want the cat to calculate the user's age when it is clicked. To do this, it needs to look at the current year and the current month. For example, say their birthday is in 2000, but now they should be 16 years old. But if their birthday is in April, and it is currently June, then they would have already turned 17. Based on this example, try programming the cat to calculate the correct age. You can pause the video here to do that now. So we'll need an if-else block to calculate the user's age. If the current month is less than the user's birth month, then we can safely say that the user's age is just the current year minus the birth year. Otherwise, we'll just have to add 1 to that number. And there you go. Clicking the cat will make it calculate your current age. You can have the cat say a full sentence by using the drawing block, too. Simply put together the parts of your sentence like this. There are other ways to improve your program as well, such as including the birth date. And operators can be used in many ways, so try finding another creative application before you watch the next tutorial. And as always, happy coding! Thanks for watching.